We're getting our first look at Galaxy Fold 5, and while it looks familiar, there seem to be some improvements. Samsung's known for producing some of the best foldable phones out right now with the Fold and Flip 4. So it comes as no surprise that many are eager to see what the company's going to bring to the table this year. Although it'll be some months before we get to see an official launch, thanks to newly leaked renders, we're getting an early look at the Galaxy Fold 5. The leaked renders come courtesy of Steve Hemmerstoffer, better known by his online Twitter persona OnLeaks, working in collaboration with SmartPricks to give us our first look. If you're a fan of the Fold 4, chances are you're going to like what you see today. While the foldable handset looks great in renders, not a lot has changed, with Samsung sticking to a near identical design to last year's model. So if you were hoping for a new and radical change, chances are this is going to be a bit of a letdown. In addition to the renders and small movie clip on the website, the source also shares some dimensions of the upcoming device. According to SmartPricks, the dimensions of the foldable are also similar of what we've already seen when known leaker Ice Universe tweeted out the dimensions for the foldable earlier in the week. There seem to be minor differences here and there, so it's probably better to just keep these values in mind for now. Now, one thing to take away from this bit of information is that the device will have a consistent thickness in its folded position, which means that the small gap in previous models might finally be gone. Samsung has relied on the same general hinge mechanism for its previous releases, which always resulted in a small gap when the phone was closed. Now it looks like it really could be transitioning to a water drop hinge design, which could allow the phone to finally close flat. If so, this will not only make the handset look much sleeker, but will also reduce the overall thickness, which is extremely important for a foldable. One other benefit the new hinge could offer is a reduced crease in the foldable display, which we have seen on some competitor devices over the past couple of years. With that said, from the report, it looks like nothing is changing when it comes to the dimensions of the display, with the outer display coming in at 6.2 inches and the inner screen coming in at 7.6 inches. Another small difference that's hard to spot is the LED on the rear camera has been moved from the bottom to the side. For the most part, things appear to be pretty much the same when it comes to the visual parts of the phone, so it will be interesting to see what kinds of other changes Samsung will show off when this handset makes its debut. While OnLeaks has been relatively accurate in the past, there is the possibility that things could change. Of course, we won't have to wait too long, as there is a chance that Samsung will push for an earlier release this year. Samsung might hold its next Unpacked event a couple of weeks earlier than last year during the end of July. Moving the release of the phone up will give consumers less time between the launch date of the Pixel Fold and the shipping date for the Fold 5. Samsung might be concerned that the more time consumers have to look at the Pixel Fold without seeing Sammy's alternative, the more business it might lose to the rookie foldable phone. So how do you like these new renders of upcoming Fold lineup from Samsung? Let us know it down below in the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the next time. Peace out.